Thought for the day, Tuesday, September 10th. Be authentic. Sometimes we get the impression, and we Christians are often accused of this, that we live our faith pointing to the life to come. We lead an existence somewhat detached from the earth. The truth is that if we always live with a deep awareness of not knowing neither the day nor the hour, we must focus more easily on today and the moment that is given to us and the desire of the day. And in it, joys and pains, sorrows and successes are welcomed and lived with all our being. This is how life on this earth is truly lived. On the contrary, without the perspective that sooner or later we will have to live here, we often lead a superficial life based on illusions, dreams, something that we always strive for, but that may never be realized. On the other hand, living in the present does not make us forget the earthly future, nor does it cut our wings to project our good and that of others, of our children, our family, or the community to which we belong, and humanity. Indeed, Christians, if they are such, cannot fail to have love for all men in their hearts. They possess the love par excellence, the same love that Christ has for the Father. It means charity. They love the humanity of yesterday, as well as that of today and that of tomorrow. This feeling at one is with past, present, and future humanity, this loving other as oneself for the Christians is a powerful motivation that makes him fit and valid to build a better life today and plan for the future. In short, it is the observance of the commandment of love for all that makes not only perfect Christians, but authentic men, as the modern era and the instances of today's society want them to be. Chiara Lubich, Back to the Present, New City.
The Word of Life for September 2024. Do not merely listen to the Word and so deceive yourselves. Do what it says.
We are members of the Focolare movement from several Latin American countries and from Italy. Did you like this video? Then give us a like and subscribe to channel Playing Campaign.